2024 has definitely kicked off on an uber stylish note. When models walked down the runway at Maison Margiela's Spring-Summer 2024 couture show at the Paris Fashion Week in January, spectators were left in awe of the porcelainish makeup on the models. As expected, this look quickly went viral. Now, meet the person behind all that makeup magic, the famed Pat McGrath. She made the model's skin impossibly glowy along with adding a dash of stunning eyeshadow, thin brows and bold lips. Inspired by the location of the show, which took place under a full moon by the Seine, the makeup artist made sure each model's glazed skin looked moon-kissed. But how did she manage to pull off this impossible-looking skin? Well, going by some post-show video footage of model shedding what appeared to be a second skin, some believe that McGrath had used a peel-off mask diluted with water and airbrushed on in layers. In fact, in an Instagram live, McGrath and her team revealed a few of the 8 products used to create the airbrushed concoction, including peel-off face masks. McGrath's team sprayed 7 to 8 layers of the composite mask on each model to ensure their glassy skin wouldn't lose its luster before the show. Looks great, isn't it? Well, if you want to recreate this look, then we can help you. First, hide your eyebrows with a matching foundation. And then use eyeliner to draw pencil-thin eyebrows. Now add a dash of color with some vibrant eyeshadow and lip color. The last step is to use post-makeup spray generously on your face. So there you go. Do try it and see how it looks. But before that, do let us know what do you think about this viral porcelain skin makeup trend, and do subscribe to Shosha for more on the latest trends.